Alright, so just a continuation of getting the seat and the harness bar, and the harness is all set up. So I'll show you the layout here before I get the seat in. Okay, this planet bracket that I got luckily had holes. All the holes that I use for the seat are down here in the bottom, so those are held in by little nuts and bolts. These were extra tabs that were left over. I assume that you could put, your seat bolt through it or whatever, but actually it works out for my harnesses just well. I don't have to put it in the floor because the track says you can't bolt it directly to the floor. This is not to the floor. And then for the fifth one, I had to drill out a little hole. Okay, it was made for a 4-point harness, but I made it a 5-point. Okay, this is how the harness came. I assume that you can't run 4. Like I couldn't leave this out. If the harness comes with 5 in the buckle, it needs to have all 5. So got a bolt here, need to tighten all this stuff down. Okay, just ended up using M12 bolts, M12 1.5 bolts for all this, so whatever, they're literally just nutting and bolting to each other. Okay, and the harnesses, which I can show you. Show you how I got those bolted. Right now this will probably be temporary because I'm thinking I'm having issues with these actually getting to the point or the position that I need them to. But I've got them bolted in here. I took these little brackets out and I've got them bolted here. So I might end up having to wrap them up on the bar, but cross that bridge when I get there. Just gonna tighten these up, put the seat in, tighten the seat down, okay, and then yeah, I'll go ahead and put myself in it and sit down and this, adjust the straps as needed, and yeah, we're looking good here. We're looking good. I just wanted to show you guys kind of how I did it because there's no freaking video on this on YouTube showing on an E46 how to freaking do this. So yeah, drill your hole through, make sure it's big enough for an M12. You got a hole here, you got a hole here, and of course this is with my specific planet bracket. Some may not have these ears. If I didn't have these ears, I'd be screwed. I'd be having to put it into here. I've seen some people do it into here, and then what do you do about this side? You can't put it in the floor. So, honestly, yeah, not sure what I would have done. But anyway, it's working out good for me. So this is the route that I'm going, and I'm gonna tighten all this down and put the seat in. Alright, here it is. So I'm gonna put my padding here for this portion, run that through. Oops. Alright, so I got my crotch holder, the left strap, the right strap. Okay, the right strap's going to be the one with the buckle. So you see it comes in this way. Okay, that's the way the lettering lines up. Okay, these two have pads on here, so you can't put them wrong. Can't really mix them up either. There's not really a left or a right. Okay, so I've got all 5 points now. Alright, this is kind of how this is. Like I said, I'm probably going to change it to wrapping it because I feel as if maybe it's not enough material. I've kind of got them maxed out here. So what I'm going to do now is just sit in it and try and put these straps on. So here we go. Set this up. It is absolutely roasting in this car right now. Absolutely roasting. So hot. Alright. Got that. Got that. Okay. Now I'm going to need to tighten this up a little bit. So I'm going to need to pull the extra slouch here. Okay. Do your sides first, then do the tab. Here's this one. Okay, crotch secure. Pull that closer to me to get that more secure. But here we are. Let me go ahead and put the top ones in. Okay. feed and pull. Right, and these, pull them down. There we are. I'm in. I am in. It's so hot out here, man. You can see sweat dripping down off me. It is so hot, man. If you like the content, you watching content, it's 100 degrees out here. I'm still trying to be out here recording, filming stuff, doing this YouTube stuff, man. Just like the video, leave a comment, let me know what you think in the comments about my setup here, how I'm rocking. Everything feels real nice and good. So I'm in, I'm locked. We get out, I just turn that down, out, shoulder strap over, shoulder strap over. We're in and we're out. I actually think the positioning's not too bad. I don't know what they'll say about tech. I don't know if that's considered bolted to the floor, so if I have to wrap them, I'll wrap them. But as of right now, we're in. We fit. Seat is nice and in. Ain't going nowhere. Harness bar is in. Ain't going nowhere. Everything is set up here. So basically the way I'm finna leave it, it's like this. I actually wanted to tighten this a little bit. It's easier to do when you're not sitting in it for some reason. Okay. Okay. There we go. Boom. So, yep. There it goes. 5 points. Boom. Love it. $1,000 later. Do this growth. But I've had that sitting in my room for 4 months now. Just got the seat, just got the harness bar in the mail, just got the bracket in the mail. All those came at the same time, but I ordered the harness a long time ago. But everything's here, and still retaining the passenger seat belt here. Oops. Psych. I thought wrong. Alright. And just a little check on the car. Shoot, she ain't looking too bad. I mean, beside the silver hood, but that's kind of how I got it. She ain't too bad. Yes, sir. I need to wash it. I haven't washed this car since the day I got it. Ooh, I need to mount my fire extinguisher. That is one of the other things I need to do. No lie. Definitely need to do that. Figure out where I'm going to mount that. But anyway, this is showing you the seat belt. Boom, just like that. Harness bar all bolted in, panels out. That's just the way you got to do it. She looks good. So obviously I've invited the life of no backseat, you know, no backseat people to be in here. But, you know, it is what it is. I could put it back if I rolled the harness up or whatever, and then it would be sitting down there or whatever. That could be an option, but it's not. So it's kind of what we're working with here. I don't feel like taking this apart to take out the seat belts and stuff, but you know, this is what we got. Man, this thing's been dying on me, the GoPro. So I got this mount here, comes with my fire extinguisher. So gonna need this for the track. Only other thing I need to do after this is weld the diff, theoretically. I need to do my subframe reinforcement, but I'm not really sure right now if that's something I can do. So at least weld the diff, at least put the poly bushings in for the subframe, at least. Problem is, the reason why I say I don't know if I can do it is because I'm not a welder, and the event is next weekend, and I don't know if I can really get somebody to come out and do all that and do it the right way and get all that done before next weekend. Just not sure right now. Honestly, literally maybe just trying to weld the diff real quick and freaking get out there at least once or twice, and you know, see how I really enjoy this car and everything. Test out the build, make sure everything's solid. But anyway, enough blabbing. Last thing I'm gonna do is put this on. Okay, I'm gonna go to the store, get some self tappers, put this into the trans.